Yes, in the last class, we have successfully discussed about HTML basic tags introduction. What is it, everybody? HTML basic tags introduction, right? What is doc type HTML and everything. And we have discussed about how to create a practice folder, where to create a practice folder, and what are the softwares you need to download and how to install them. Okay, right. Then after, what is the basic code is required? All those things we have discussed in the last class. Right, everybody? Now today class, tell me what is our practice folder name? What is our practice folder name? Ramesh VA class, December Jan 2024 9. What is it, everybody? December Jan 2024 9. This is our practice folder. Understanding or not? Respond, everybody. Okay, right. So this is our file. Now open this. Okay, we have discussed all these things. So if I discuss again, it will take a lot of time. Okay, so leave it. So doc type HTML and everything we have discussed. Now today class, what is the thing we are going to discuss is we are going to discuss about text formatting tags in the HTML. What is it, everybody? Text formatting tags in the HTML. Text formatting tags means what? Manipulating, style manipulating of the HTML. Okay, right. Sorry, are you getting my voice now? Respond, everybody. Hello? Are you getting my voice? Kindly respond, at least one person. Are you getting my voice?
Yes, sir.
It is coming outside. Say hi. Hello. Devish wants to respond, please.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. Thank you. So now see here basic HTML. Basic HTML text formatting. Yeah. Put yourself mute out there. Yes. Basic HTML text formatting tags underscore example dot HTML. Okay. Right. See basic HTML, that is the prefix I will use for everything because it will represent this is the only HTML language. Basic HTML. Okay. Then after topic name will be you can find here. What is this? Text formatting tags. Underscore example I will write in the postfix for each and everything. Understanding or not? So my file names will contain first of all technology, which underscore HTML. Because you will understand it is a HTML language. In future it will be useful for you. Then after text formatting text. What is it, everybody? Topic name. Then after example is the postfix. The last end. Then after HTML. Okay, right. To save it. So now no need to worry about this meta keywords and description. I'm removing this and executing the browser because we are not writing any. We are going to practice with the HTML only, right? That is not required at present. Meta keywords and description. If it is required, also very simple. Here we take whatever you want. That's it. For this examples purpose, that is not required. What I'm getting here. What I'm getting here. I am Ramesh. Why? Because this is a pure text. Okay, right. So now there is no styles is there. That means I am not displaying in bold letters or anything. I am leaving like that only. Then after here I am writing. My name is Ramesh. What is this? My name is Ramesh. Tell me where is this my name is Ramesh is coming? Side by side to the I am Ramesh. What is it everybody? Side by side to the I am Ramesh. That means what we can understand. Say here, we are writing my name is Ramesh in the next line here, 10th line. I am Ramesh in the 9th line. But whenever you execute in the browser, they are coming side by side. That means what we can understand. Automatically, browser will keep entire text in a single line. If you don't specify any instructions, automatically browser will keep entire text in a single line. Clear or not? Respond everybody. Okay, right. So now what I want to do, I don't want this. I want to make this my name is Ramesh should come in the next line. So that purpose I need to use here BR tag. What is it everybody? BR tag. BR means breaking the line. Okay, right. So that what happens after this I am Ramesh, line will be broken. Next content will come in the next line. Refresh. What are we getting? My name is Ramesh. Where how it is coming? One by one to the I am. That means next to the I am. Clear or not? Responded. Next line of the I am Ramesh. So this is the use of BR tag. What is it everybody? BR tag. BR tag will break the line. Okay, right. And then after what is this? Ramesh is there. Okay, what is this everybody? Ramesh. So now I want to make this Ramesh in bold letters. What is it everyone? Bold letters. Here I am writing in the strong. Strong. What is everybody? Strong. Why I am writing here strong? Because if you want to display our data in bold letters, definitely we need to keep our data in the strong tag. There or not? Definitely we need to keep our data in the strong tag. Clear it everybody? Right. Refresh. What is this? Ramesh. How it is coming? Bold letter.
Sir, B
So
tag is also there, no?
what is that?
B tag.
Yeah, B tag also there, Devesh. But nowadays nobody using B tag. Everybody using strong tag only because SEO purpose there will be advantages there. Okay, Devesh.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So strong tag is there and B tag also there. You don't find any visible difference. Well, everybody, visibly you don't find any difference. Anything you can use. But if you use strong tag, what happens is browser will treat or else search engines will understand that is important data. So if anybody search it with that name, that is also very good for it. Not only keywords and description, and if you're keeping anything in the strong letters or anything or else EM letters or anything, it will be give little bit advantage in the SEO purpose also. Clear or not? Respond everybody. Respond everyone. Okay. Right. This is the strong tag. Okay. Right. For example, if I keep here BR tag also, you don't find any difference. Are you finding any difference? That's what I got. Visible difference, there is no. Then everybody will think why they have developed two. That is the not the correct way to think in software industry. Because if there is two, we need to learn two. Or else whatever you are convenient, at least we need to get the output. Sometimes for small minor changes purpose also, they will develop something. No, Devesh, HTML strong tag is previous version also there. In the XHTML also it is there. Okay, Devesh? Right. Previous also I used this strong tag. Hello, Devesh.
Yes,
Unmute
sir.
your. Okay, right. Okay, right. So please respond through voice only, Devesh. Don't respond through chat because I feel a little bit comfortable whenever you respond through voice because I can
Okay, sir.
understand easily. Okay, right.
Yes, sir.
So say it, yeah. Say it everybody. This is what strong tag and B tag. So there is no visible difference. So if there is when there is no visible difference, everybody will confuse. So still that HTML process is not deprecating this. Each and every batch, every student will ask. If I write strong tag, they will write B tag. If I write B tag, they will ask strong tag. I'm not condemning that, but as a faculty also there will be some problems. If there is any visible differences, for example, if you ask me to show me the difference between red and pink, I can draw a red line and a green line. You can feel the difference. Why? Because there is visible differences. Both are in the same color. How can you feel the difference? Understanding, right? So there is no visible difference, but still they are not deprecating this B tag. So every first class of HTML is the problem for me. Really. Okay. So there is no visible difference. Everybody will think why. So there is no proper answer. The only thing is important data but bold letters. There is so many friends for you, but one or two. If you have 10 friends also, but one or two friends are your best friends. So every best friend is a friend, but not every friend has best friend. Right? Same way, every data is there, but among all the data, some data is important data. Important data, but you want to highlight in the bold letters. Then go for the strong tag. Only purpose difference. Right, everybody? But there is some data which is not important, but still you want to highlight in bold letters. Then need to go for B letter. Again, if I tell this one, again everybody will confuse. Sir, how would I know what is important data, what is not important? So who will tell that important data, not important data? Client will tell that. This is important. So highlight in the bold letter. For us, UX designer will fix that. See, the thing is very small. You will feel, but to explain it is taking a lot of time. Understand my point? Okay, why? Because since there is only one problem, there is no visible difference. There is no visible difference. So sometimes, if there is any difference, then only everybody will feel comfortable. Understanding? Because they can find easily understanding. If there is no difference, nobody can understand it. So that's why we need to have some difference. So if we have here strong tag and B tag, there is no visible difference, but there is only purpose difference. Understand it? For example, in every language there is if condition also there, switch statement also there. All the time we don't use switch statement. All the time we don't use if condition. Depends upon the purpose. Depends upon the number of conditions. Then we will to decide either if condition or switch statement. We will decide. The same way, important data but bold letters. So for this strong tag, not important but still bold letters. Okay, right. Sometimes we need to highlight that in bold letters also. For example, anything. For example, you are writing an article. You are writing an article about Chiranjeevi, which is he is famous in the Telugu states. Okay, famous actor. So whenever you are writing an article about Chiranjeevi or Amitabh Bachchan or anything, there is other famous persons also will be there in their part. For example, if you are writing about Amitabh Bachchan, there is Abhishek Bachchan and Aishwarya also there. You need to highlight that. So if you want to display that Abhishek Bachchan and highlight Aishwarya, decided in bold letters, better to keep in the strong tag. Why? Because somebody will search in the Amitabh Bachchan, Aishwarya and everything. So if you keep like that, they will everybody understand this is a important text line. In the same way, some Appara give 10 rupees to the Amitabh Bachchan in his school days. So that Appara is not worldwide famous. So you can keep that Appara with the bold letter. Very clear or not? Respond everybody. Devesh, is it clear for you? Raghavendra and Rajat.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Raghavendra, Rajat respond. Rajat Vasishta.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is the difference. Okay. So please try to understand the first class. Don't carry that baggage. Why like that. Software industry, how will work, not why. How to work with this will work. Okay, so that's why. So I don't teach this BTech. Why? Because not because of lack of my explanation. There is no proper answer. If you search in Google, also you will find the same answer. Search in Google right now. Difference between the strong tag and BTech, you will find the same answer. Okay. Right. So why? Because just because of a simple point, every student is losing confidence whether he teach properly or not. Or else I need to tell any wrong answer. I don't want to give wrong answer. Okay. Right. Then after here I'm writing, I am Ramesh. What is everybody? I am Ramesh. So now this is coming like this. But this time I want to highlight this text, Ramesh, but not with bold letters. Important, but not with bold letters. Italic style. What is it, everybody? Italic style. Italic means what? It is not a language. It is a way of writing. It is right style of writing. Slight bending letters. Okay, right. So right here, EM tag. What is it, everybody? EM tag. EM tag means what? Emphasizing. That means strongly. I'm telling. Important points on will tell us strongly. Okay, this person is a good person. This person is a bad person. Something like that. Importantly, you are telling. Strictly, you are telling. Okay, hard to. You are telling it. Strictly, you are telling that. It is so important like that. In that case, you can either go for strong, but it will display the data in the bold letter. Or else emphasizing means what? Important data. Important means if you want to display in a strong letter also, or else italic styles also we can. Understand, everybody? So EM stands for emphasizing. That means important. Strongly I am telling this one. Okay, everybody? So important but bold letters. Go for strong tag. Important but italic. Go for I tag. Not important but still italic. Then I tag. What is it, everybody? I tag. Not important but italic. Go for I tag. Important but italic. Go for EM tag. What is it, everybody? EM tag. Now see there. I am Ramesh. Observe this. This Ramesh is coming italic. This Ramesh is coming normal. Now I am writing here I tag. What is it, everybody? I tag. Refresh. What are we getting? Same. Is there any visible difference? Still they are not deprecating the I tag and B tag. This is what I put. But purpose is different. Important. Okay. Important. But italic letters. Go for EM tag. Not important but still italic letters. Okay. I tag.
For user, let's say for user, how it could be recognized it's important or not
That's what
important.
I'm telling right. That is not I'm telling right, Devesh. In the starting of the class, that is what I'm telling. There is no visible difference means not only you and me, God also don't understand that. This is only for browser purpose. Don't overthink about this. Kindly don't overthink about this.
Okay, sir.
Everybody nowadays using strong tag and EM tag only. Don't focus there. Clearly, clearly I'm training last 10 minutes. There as a faculty, there is so much difficult to explain this. But unnecessarily you are thinking how users will think how you. This is not for users purpose. This is for search engine purpose. Just because of that, nobody terminate you. Please try to understand that.
Yes, sir.
Everybody
Yes.
using yes, okay. Everybody using strong tag. If there is no visible difference, how users will understand? I also know that there is no visible difference. That's what I'm telling right from the starting. If there is visible difference, no need to ask. You also will understand. Users also will understand. Me also understand. There is no visible difference. That's why I try to avoid B tag and frankly I'm splitting. But still, there is a problem in the first class of the HTML. Last batch only I decided I should not teach B tag and I tag. But since you are asking, I'm telling this. Okay, please see. Don't think he is serious whenever I ask doubt something like that. But as a faculty, see, everybody has some problems. As a faculty, also I have some problems. What is that? There is no visible difference. Really, only purpose difference. So how users will understand the purpose? We are asking. So in your way, it is correct. But in my way, so I cannot go to and tell each and every person is important like that. So this only for browser purpose only, SEO purpose only. It will read our entire page content before displaying the data. So whatever it is having in the strong tag and view, little bit bright it will be. Okay, so there is no properly visible difference. That's why everybody using latest version related to strong tag and EM tag only. If it is important also, not important also, blindly they are using strong tag. Blindly they are using strong tag. For example, previously I told you about Appar. If he is suddenly famous, immediately they don't change to B tag, strong tag. So what they will do, each and every person they will keep is strong tag. Understanding it, everybody? So if you want to display your data in strong, if you want to display your data in bold letters, go for strong, go for EM. So please ignore that EM. See, in our house there is so many things will be there. Daily we don't use that things. Something we will ignore. Whenever it is essential, at that particular time we will use. Or else we'll keep quiet. Okay, we'll leave it like that. Understand it in the same way. Blindly use strong tag, blindly use EM tag. Blindly use means what? It can be useful for important, it cannot be useful for not important also. If there is a best friend, you can say normal things and your personal things also. Right? You can use it for normal purpose and important purpose. The same way. If you are using strong tag, it will be useful for important purpose, not important purpose also. That's not a wrong thing. Just because of you are keeping the unnecessary things in the strong tag, the browser won't throw your application away. It will display. Understand everybody? So go for strong tag. If you want to display your data, bold letters. Go for EM tag. If you want to display your data in italic letters. That's it. Okay? Right. So Ramesh and Ramesh. So this is EM and I. Okay? Right. Then after here, I am from Vinukonda. Vinukonda located in Guntur district. Sorry. Palnadu district, Andhra Pradesh state. Vinukonda. Okay, right. Now what I want to do is I want to highlight each and every place in this sentence. Vinukonda is a place, Palnadu is a place, Andhra Pradesh is a place. Right, everybody? Right. Now I want to highlight this, but now not with bold letters. Okay, not with italic letters, but with underline. What is it, everybody? Underline. Again, coming to underline, also there is two tags. Really, INS tag and U tag. INS is for important data but underline. U tag is for blindly underline. That's it, okay? Right. So the strange thing is other languages, first class will be very easy for faculty. The strange thing in HTML is first class is very difficult. Why? Because I cannot go any advanced topics. Small topics. Small topics means strong tag and B tag, these things only. There is no visible difference. So it is very funny actually. So INS. And the worst thing in software industry is they will ask you the interview also. Strong tag and B tag. If I tell the exact result also, they don't this thing, because they also don't find the exact difference. Those senior persons. So I'm not telling you are asking the wrong questions, but actually there is no difference visibly. And the worst thing in the software industry in India is whatever it is unable to explain, they would think only they will ask. Though there is no use, right? Though there is no use, that questions only they will ask. So this is a problem for the student and faculty in the starting days, right? Say here, Vinukonda, Andhra Pradesh. Clear it, everybody? Right, not this one. What is this? I am from Vinukonda. Vinukonda located in Palnadu district and the Andhra Pradesh state. So how it is displaying with underline. So whenever you want to format the data, we are formatting is what? Manipulating the styles. We can display in bold letters, or else we can display in italic letters, or else we can display with underline as well. We can display with underline as well. Clear it, everybody? We can display with underline as well. Okay, right. So if you want to display your data with underline, you need to go for INS. So INS is for what purpose? There is only purpose only difference. There is only purpose only. What is the mistake HTML 5% it is? Instead of utilizing the existing data, just for small purpose difference, they have developed similar data, similar tags. Understand it? So they can modify either strong tag or B tag. They can continue only one. but still they are continuing both. Why? Because somebody will ask some doubts when any language is asked to approve. They need to face some meeting, some tests or something like that. So I have this thing, not important, but still in bold letters. I have important but bold letters. So how can you differentiate that type of things? They will ask. So to pass the test, they will develop this type of things. Strong tag and big. This point we cannot tell in the interview. So is there any functional difference? No. Is functional difference means or visible differences? There is no visible difference. But only important way difference. Important data, but bold letters. Not important data, but bold letters. Okay. So if the interviewer asked, how can you separate important data and not important data means I don't know, sir. So tell it like that one. Sorry, sir, I am not aware of that. Tell frankly. Because nobody knows the answer. Just because of that, nobody rejects. You can tell in the interview whatever the answer you don't know, you can frankly tell, sorry, sir, I don't know. And after completion of interview, sir, please can you please explain the difference? Like that you can ask the interviewer. So nobody answers that. He also don't know, right? Ask her anything. Yeah, see. Sorry, not B-Tech. U-Tech. What is it, everybody? U-Tech. BR tag 1, BR tag 2. What is the use? We'll get a little bit more space. We use BR tag 2 times. Observe this. Is there any visible difference? Tell me. Is there any zigzag lines are coming? No. So important data between the underline. Not important, but still underline. U tag. So everybody using nowadays important only. So strong tag, I tag, sorry, strong tag, EM tag, INS tag. That is it. Understanding it, everyone. Please respond. Raghavendra, Rajat, Devesh.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay. Yes. Others also respond. Raghavendra and Rajat, please. Okay, this is completed. Okay, this is about INS tag and this thing. Okay, right. And then after here we are writing price. What is that, everybody? Price. For the space 2000. What is that, everybody? 2000. Then after 1000. So think this price is a label. So for a single price label, how many prices we need to display? One or two? One. But how many I am displaying here? Two. What is it, everybody? Two. See, is the correct? User will confuse. So what is the price of this particular product? 2000 or 1000. So here my intention is not 2000, only 1000. So not 2000 means we need to write like this. Not 2000, only 1000. So this is how we need to write. Understand, everybody? So without writing like this, but whenever the user sees, he exactly same way he has to fill. I don't write not 2000, only 1000. But whenever he see, automatically he should understand. That purpose, what should I do? I need to tell this 2000 is invalid. What is it, everybody? This 2000 is invalid. How can I tell it is invalid? For example, you are writing notes. There is a mistake. That means that is the invalid. So how can you differentiate that? By striking it. By striking through it. Same way here also, keep this in the strike tag. What is this? Sorry, not it right here only also. Don't take it only, but see everybody, 2000 also is seeing, 1000 also is seeing, but immediately you will understand 2000 is invalid data. How? Because you have strike through that. Understand everybody? This is strike tag. Same way DGL tag also there. Same thing. Anyone you can choose. Right everybody? Right. So the DL tag purpose is this is deleted data. It is deleted, but still you will display. This is invalid. Understand everybody? So I don't want to tell you that to delete because unnecessarily it will confuse. So fix for the strike one. And whatever you are writing here, all those things we can get through CS also. All those things, see B tag, IE tag, IN, this U tag. Nowadays, most of the time people are not using. Not important, but underline means they are using blindly with CS only. Or else important means they will use either CSS or strong tag manual. That's why I told. Use strong tag, EM tag, INS tag blindly like that. Why? Because if it is very important, then go for this thing. Not important means same thing you can get it through CSS as well. Okay, right. Strike tag, BR tag. So in this type of scenario, this strike tag will be useful. Okay, in this scenario, strike tag will be useful. For example, if we are striking through it or why, how can we use in real time? Somebody will get. Sometimes whenever you are explaining the content also, we need to tell what is right, what is wrong also. For example, Mike Tyson is a boxer, not a dancer. How can you tell it? Mike Tyson is a boxer and striking through dance. That's it. Right, everybody? Right. So strongly you're telling he is not that person, he is not that, he is not that. Strongly you're telling. Sometimes we need to tell invalid also strongly. I did not I did not take from you money 500. There is only 200. Like strongly will tell. So it is invalid. Okay, right. So here also observe here PHP is a programming scripting language. PHP is a what? Scripting language. Okay. Server side programming scripting language. So in software industry, we have two types of languages, either programming or scripting, but not programming scripting. Understand it, everybody. Either it should be programming language, either it should be scripting language, but there is no programming scripting language. But I'm writing like this. So here, what is my intention? PHP is a scripting language, not programming. Then how can I tell that? Try it through it. PHP is a server-side scripting language, not a program. So you are telling strongly. This is definitely not correct. This is not definitely not correct. In that case, we can go for strike tag. Clear it, everyone. Respond. Right. Okay. Right. So now here I'm writing. I have. Others. My name is Ramesh. I have 14 plus years of experience as a web developer and a trainer. One second. I have 14 plus years of experience as a web developer. Right. Right. Now I want to highlight this 14 plus years of experience, but not with these things, bold or italic or else underlines or anything. But I want to highlight with this thing, like a yellow background. What is that, everybody? Like a background color. So that purpose we can go for mark tag. What is that, everybody? Mark tag. So what is this? Striking through it. Understand that? So what is this? What is the difference between this one and this one? This is invalid, but this is most valid. Clear it, everybody? Right. For example, some lawyers, whenever making an argument in the court, what they will make some documents. In the document, they will definitely strike some points. Whenever they want to submit the evidence as important point to the judge, so they will give the document and they will tell that, sir, please watch that yellow color this thing like that. Or else some students also have this habit. Whenever they are reading, they will sit with a highlighter pen. What is that, everybody? Highlighter pen. So whenever they find any important points, immediately they will strike through it. What is that, everybody? Immediately they will strike through it. So that whenever they want to revision that same topic in future, so immediately they will refer to the, go through that important points. Understand it? Not only the students and lawyers, these persons, who politicians, whenever they are sitting in a press conference, whenever they are sitting in a press conference, okay, they will keep all their documents along with the side by side to their mic. Whenever they are speaking, they will speak with this only. They will also highlight this important point. So same experience if you want to provide through website also. Same experience you want to provide through website also. Then you need to go for mark tag. The great thing done by HTML programs is they don't develop any alternative tag for this. I'm happy for this. As they are, everybody will feel for this also. That is the greatest thing they have done. They did not develop any alternative for this. Understand it, everybody? Right. So 14 plus 5 years of experience, I'm highlighting through this one. Okay, mark that. So what is the default background color? Yellow. If you want to change the default background color, there is one way. What is that? We need to go for CSS. Whenever CSS started, at that time we can discuss. But in HTML level, there is no other. We cannot write CSS. Okay, we cannot write any other things. Okay, right. So this is about this. Okay, this is the text formatting tags we have. Right. Then after this only, sir, you only text to manipulate the mathematical expressions. So do we have any tags? Yes, we have. For example, I'm writing here x square plus y square. In my perception, this is x square plus y square. But how users will feel x2 plus y? What is it, everybody? x2 plus y. There is no difference. So why? Because this 2 is coming side by side to the x. This is not correct way. So it should come as a superscript of the x. That means on top of the x or y, on top of the letter it should come. Then only they will call it as square, cube, something like that. Okay. So how can I do it? SUP. What is it, everybody? SUP. SUP stands for superscript. What is it, everybody? Superscript. So which letter has to come on top of that? Then only we need to write here this thing. Okay, right. What I'm getting here? X square plus y square. So mathematical expressions we are returning on. So this is what superscript. That means top of the letter it will come. Okay, right. Now I want to display like x2 plus y2. So x2 plus y2. Of course, it is fulfilling the requirement, but still I want to clearly write in a mathematical expression format. That purpose I need to write here SUB. What is that? SUB. SUB stands for subscript. Understand it, everybody? Right. What is this? X2 plus y2. So SUB stands for superscript. SUB stands for subscript. So both are used to write the data in the mathematical expression. Okay, everybody? Right. This so we can work with it. So this is the most used tag-based language. Okay. So tag this most used text formatting tags are available. And one more thing also there, that is called marquee. What is it, everybody? Marquee. For example, here only I will write, wait one second. I am working with DURGASOFT. Observe after the 40 plus years of experience. After this, observe. How it is coming? I am working with DURGASOFT. Yeah, right here, PR tag. So it is coming. I am working with DURGASOFT. This is how it is coming. Right, everybody. So now what I want to do, I am working with DURGASOFT. It has to come like a scroller. From right to left, it should come. What is it, everyone? From right to left, it should come. So that purpose, what is the thing I am doing is, I am keeping this in the marquee. In the latest version also, it is duplicated, but still it is working. What is this? Marquee. Nowadays, nobody using these things. Marquee. QUEE. See it? What happened? Okay. I did not close it. I'm very sorry. I have opened, but I forgot to close it. I have written like a opening tag. See now? How it is coming like a scroller. I am working with DURGASOFT. If you want to change the scrolling direction, I will tell you in the future. Okay, next class I will tell you how to change the direction also. Okay, right. What is this? Marquee. What is it, everybody? Marquee. MARQUEE. Okay, everybody. So what are these? These are the directly text formatting type. Directly text formatting means what? If you apply, automatically that functionality will be applied. Okay, if you apply it, automatically that related functionality also will apply. So no need to apply, no need to use any extra text. Okay, right. So these are the directly tags which you can format the text. And there is other things also there. Attribute based tags also. What is it, everybody? Attribute based tags. For example, the anchor tags. It depends upon HREF. ING tag. It depends upon SR. Right, everybody? Like that attribute based tags also there. Okay. Not only anchor and IMG audio video also there. Not only that, there is ABBR tag also there. What is it, everybody? ABBR abbreviation. What is it, everyone? Abbreviation. So now let's come here right there. L.I.C. What is it, everybody? L.I.C. LIC. So as Indian, you know what is LIC stands for? Life Insurance Corporation. Okay, but somebody they don't know. Any other persons also. In that case, what I want to do, whenever the user over on it, I want to educate him. This is a full form. Or else whenever they see L.I.C means okay, this is related to any abbreviation. Somebody they want to know what is the full form of that abbreviation. Okay, that letters. What is the full form? In that case, also I want to educate the user. I want to display the full name of the user. What is the sorry? I want to display the full form of the text. What is it, everybody? I want to display the full form of the text. So how can I do it? Very simple. Come here right there. Less than ABBR. What is it, everybody? ABBR. Here also come here right there. Less than ABBR. Over it. I have used the ABBR tag. Is there anything is coming? So just because of you are taking their ABBR, automatically browser doesn't create its full form and they don't display. Understand right? Okay, so that is also we need to write whatever the text you want to display. So what is this? ABBR open and ABBR close. This ABBR is purely depends upon title attribute, not title tag. Title attribute. TITLE equal to double quotations. Life. What is it, everybody? Life Insurance Corporation. Life Insurance Corporation. Over on it. Life Insurance Corporation. Coming on it. See it automatically some dots coming underline here. Dots are coming on it. And whenever you over, you are getting Life Insurance Corporation. So title attribute also there. Right, everybody? Right. So this is the attribute based tags. Okay, you know Spider-Man, right? Respond everybody. Spider-Man, not personally, will be yours. Right, everybody? Right. So without Spider-Man, who is he? Peter. What is it, everybody? Peter. So after wearing the he is a Spider-Man. So how he is getting that powers? Through Spider-Man. Okay. So without us, can he do any adventurous things? No. So here, spider, that man is the tag. Spider dress is the attribute. Whenever he wears that attribute, then only he is getting that power. So without that man, spider dress itself can do anything? No. So both are important. In the same way, tag also important, attribute also important. Whenever you add this attribute, then only this tag will get that related power. Or else it doesn't get any power. It is just dumb. Clear or not? Respond everyone. Okay. This is the working culture of attribute based tags. These are all direct tags. Whenever you have to automatically that functionality will apply. But these are all not directly. Of course, they are tags. But whenever you apply any attribute that related attributes, then only they will get that original power. Clear it everyone. Okay. Right. So these are all the simple tags we have. Right. Leave it like this. Okay. Next class on Monday, I will discuss about navigation, which is very important. Okay, how can we navigate? By using path specification. So next class I will discuss IMG tag, video tag, audio tag, and not only that. In order to write that IMG tag, video tag, and audio tag, we need to be perfect with the path specification because we need to call a file into another file. That purpose we need to be perfect with the path specification. So if I am also in other faculty, I also get that path specification in 5 minutes. Okay, but I don't want to tell you like that because path specification is very important in real time. We need to call a file into another file, which is very essential. And sometimes all the files we don't keep in a single folder. Multiple folders, multiple folders will keep. So each and every file need to call from each and every file. So how to specify that paths? All those things I want to take a clear class on it. So Monday class entirely I am going to dedicate it. So if possible, come through your computer. If you have, I'm not telling purchase in these 2 days, but if you have, please come through it. Okay, right? Because Monday class, path specification class, I'm going to take. Online people also please attend through computer. Understand everybody? That will be good for you. Clear it everybody? Right. So that's it everybody. This is the class for today. Monday we'll meet. Monday we'll continue about our path specification class. By Monday link will be changes. So online people and offline people please try to enroll in my course. Understand everybody? Please inform in the DURGASOFT team. I want to continue Ramesh sir batch. So please make a call to this number. Okay, right. I want to continue Ramesh sir the 9 o'clock batch. Please enroll my name in the Ramesh. What is the process? So whatever the process are there, they will tell you. Okay, not offline. This is for online. So on offline, they can go to the reception. They will tell you the process. Okay, everybody, right? So that's it, everyone. So this is the class for today. If I speak anything seriously, please try to ignore that. That is just a professional frustration, not personal frustration. Okay, right. Thank you very much, everybody.